Hey YouTube, it's ICU, and today I wanted to make this video to discuss something rather troubling in the jailbreak community that's come to my attention within the past couple of days, and that's a claimed jailbreak developer by the name of DreamJB or Dream Jailbreak. I'll get into that more in a second, but first I just wanted to mention some prerequisites. Now, as I'm sure most of you are aware, there currently isn't an untethered jailbreak for iOS 6 or 6.0.1. The latest development in the progress for an iOS 6.0.1 jailbreak came when Ninja, who is the former leader of the Chronic dev team, announced his solo effort to exploit the boot ROM, which is a task that hasn't been accomplished since GeoHot's Limerain exploit. Outside of that, both the iPhone dev team and the Chronic dev team have been rather quiet in regards to an upcoming jailbreak. And finally, the latest jailbreak is in the form of a tethered version of Red Snow, meaning it's required to plug the device into your computer and rerun a certain part of the utility to boot it into its fully functional jailbroken state. And even at that, it only supports the iPhone 4, iPhone 3GS, and the 4th generation iPod Touch because it utilizes GeoHot's old Limerain exploit, which has since been patched by Apple with upgraded iOS devices. And it continues to function on those specific A4 and earlier devices because it's a hardware-based boot ROM exploit, which is what POSIX Ninja is trying to accomplish for all current iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch models. Alright, now recently over the past few days, a so-called developer named Dream Jailbreak, or again DreamJB, has taken the jailbreak community by storm with an announcement of a forthcoming jailbreak utility slated for release on the 22nd of December. Today, just before recording this video, DreamJB uploaded a video of him allegedly jailbreaking the iPhone 5, and I'll discuss how it's fake after I highlight some suspicions that various renowned and legendary jailbreak developers and iOS security experts had even before DreamJB uploaded his video. I'm not actually going to mention everything though, just because Twitter has literally been flooded with various discussions pertaining to this very topic. First, we have iHateSnow, the young developer behind Snowbreeze, the custom firmware jailbreak tool. Essentially, he warned a follower to not get his hopes up and contemplated the possibility of DreamJB using the utility as a distribution method for a new virus. Next, NidoTV, a well-known developer specializing in the Apple TV field, chimed in to state that, according to him, DreamJB is 100% fraudulent and that genuine developers never announce release dates or claim that they have a jailbreak before first posting proof, which I'll come back to in a second. If that wasn't enough, before the video was posted, MuscleNerd, who is a legendary hacker and is arguably the public face of jailbreaking, ultimately debunked DreamJB's claims of an untethered jailbreak by adding the claimed hacker to his list of fake jailbreaks and unlocks. Of course, it's always important to remember that actual jailbreaks will almost always come from authentic sources, being the Chronic or iPhone dev teams. Additionally, right before the video was uploaded, MuscleNerd pointed to an image that's up now, which is just a conversation between him and another individual, and he noted that he'll spend a lot of time going over the supposed app or WebKit crash, and he'll run out of time at the end, which is exactly what happened. And although DreamJB claims he'll upload the second half of the video later, that doesn't make it any less fake. Let's go over some other facts. As stated by MuscleNerd, the sequence of the progress bar in the video is identical to Red Snow's, and the verbose, which is essentially the scrolling text portion, is cleared at the same point as when Red Snow does it. Now, the video itself is simply of the iPhone with a pre-recorded video overlay on top of the iPhone screen. Now, once the iPhone's auto lock screen kicks in, you can easily tell that he's using a simple PIP or picture-in-picture effect to overlay the fake jailbreak sequence over his locked iPhone, which evidently boots into iOS toward the end of the video without first displaying the lock screen, which would never happen in a genuine jailbreak. After the video was released, legendary hackers Comex and Ionic, who are both experts in userland jailbreaks, shared another piece of crucial information. DreamJB claims to have compiled an untethered userland jailbreak. As both of them mentioned, a userland jailbreak by definition cannot involve verbose output that's displayed before any userland programs are run, which is exactly what happened in the video with the verbose or scrolling text screen followed by the fake exploit loader bar sequence. After the video, DreamJB released an image he claimed was a screenshot of the program running on an OS X-based computer, which is up now. first muscle nerd retweeted a link shared by a follower that leads to the EXIF information of the screenshot, which reveals that it was created in Photoshop rather than simply being a screenshot of the alleged program. Chapone, who is also a very credible member of the Jailbreak community, also mentioned that he didn't even use OS X fonts when creating the image in Photoshop, which of course is supposed to be a screenshot of an OS X program. Now, there are other inconsistencies that prove the video is fake. However, I simply shared the most important details that confirm the entire thing is fake. Right now, also in this video, I just wanted to mention that I now manage a site called Jailbreaking iOS 6. I've mentioned it a couple of times here on YouTube. Just be sure to check it out. You'll be able to find all of the latest information related to jailbreaking, as well as the status of untethered jailbreaks on Jailbreaking iOS 6. Of course, I do have some great things planned for Jailbreaking iOS 6 in the future, so just be sure to stay tuned. Also, I will keep you guys fully updated on YouTube and best tech info for the iOS 6 and 6.0.1 untethered jailbreak. So like I said, I'll keep you guys covered on all of the major developments. Of course, don't forget that you can enter the iPad mini giveaway in this video. All you have to do is simply rate it up and leave a comment down below in the comment section with the key phrase free iPad mini contest, and you'll be automatically entered. Of course, for more updates, don't forget to like me on Facebook, follow me on Twitter, and add me to one of your circles inside of Google+. And until next time, this is ICU signing out.